What exactly is AI? What is the future of AI? And will AI cause job losses? Let's find out. Artificial intelligence is the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It's about creating machines that can learn, reason, and make decisions like humans, but at a much faster rate. AI is already changing the world around us, and it will only become more popular. Currently, no AIs can perform the wide variety of tasks an ordinary human can do, and some AIs can match humans in specific tasks. Have you ever seen those helpful robot vacuums that glide around your home, avoiding obstacles and keeping your floors clean? These devices use advanced AI algorithms to analyze their surroundings, determine where to go, and adjust to new environments. They are just one way that AI technology is improving our daily lives, making things more convenient and efficient. But AI isn't limited to physical robots, it's also deeply integrated into our smartphones. Take virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Thanks to AI, they can understand our voice commands, answer questions, and even perform tasks for us. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. In the future, AI will play an increasingly significant role in our lives. It will become more advanced, capable, and integrated into the various aspects of society. AI will continue to improve automation, making our daily tasks more efficient and convenient. It will enhance industries such as healthcare, transportation, and entertainment, revolutionizing how we live, work, and interact. Overall, the future of AI holds great promise for transforming our world and shaping the future of humanity. Now, a question often arises whether AI will cause job losses. It's a valid concern, but let's put it into perspective. While AI can automate its specific tasks, it also creates new opportunities. History has shown that technological advancements tend to transform job markets rather than eliminate them. Imagine this, there's a video editor who dedicated hours to editing a single video. But now, thanks to the power of AI, they can effortlessly edit 3 videos at the same time. Here's the fascinating part. The video editor isn't being replaced by AI. Why? Well, it's because AI lacks its own goals unless we provide it with a purpose. This leads us to consider whether AI should be developed to function with its own purpose. After all, AI is a tool, not a replacement for human labor. Consider the manufacturing industry. AI-powered robots can handle repetitive and mundane tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more creative and complex jobs. This can lead to increased productivity and even the creation of new roles to manage and maintain these AI systems. Is AI a slap to a creative artist? Nope. The artist's role remains crucial as they provide the necessary prompts, shaping their input to achieve a desired aesthetic output. While AI may suggest what it deems beautiful, the ultimate decision lies with the artist because AI can't decide if it is beautiful or not. Artists can now benefit from increased efficiency as tasks that once consumed considerable time can now be accomplished in a mere seconds with the assistance of AI. Think about how AI generates images. To use as an example, Midjourney has been trained on millions of images taken from all parts of the web. To each image, there is some text associated. An image of a woman smiling will be described as a woman smiling. A refiled work of art will be described with the name, the style, and the contents of the painting. When you ask Midjourney to generate a painting of a woman smiling in a refiled style, it puts all training data into a blender and split out the composite result. That's not innovative or creative. The AI is not thinking or reasoning to create that image. It is just using pattern recognition to follow your prompt. You ask ChatGPT to write a blog post about whether AI will ever be used to replace software engineers. It can chew up thousands of blog posts, it's read on the subject and spit out the best approximation of that. It is not considering your question and thinking about how best to respond. It's just using the training data to complete your prompt. In summary, AI is a tool that expands the abilities of humans rather than a direct threat or challenge to our creative skills. It has a potential to complement and enhance the creative process. Still, the human's unique vision and creative input remain irreplaceable. However, the worldwide economy could lose hundreds of millions of positions to AI over the coming decades, especially in industries where soft skills are a meaningful part of the job description, like customer service executives, bookkeeping and data entry, receptions, proofreading, manufacturing, courier services, soldiers, taxi and bus drivers, and security guards. On the other hand, AI will have a lesser effect on jobs that involve managing people, applying expertise, and interacting socially, like human resource managers, writers, lawyers, CEOs, scientists, psychiatrists, event planners, and graphic designers. Speaking of industries, AI is transforming various sectors. For example, in healthcare, AI algorithms can analyze medical data to assist doctors in diagnosing disease at the early stage. In transportation, self-driving cars are becoming a reality, making our roads safer and reducing accidents. And in finance, AI-powered algorithms can quickly analyze vast amount of data to detect fraudulent activities. AI is truly global, with its impact felt across the world, from agriculture to education, entertainment to cybersecurity. AI is revolutionizing how we live, work, and interact. It's an exciting time to be alive. And there you have it. We have explored what AI is and glimpses us into the future of the remarkable technology and how it will affect us. Remember, AI is not here to replace us, but to augment our abilities and improve our lives. Let's embrace it with open arms and stay curious about the endless possibilities it brings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button so you don't miss more videos of AI and much more. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.